Let's make this beautiful pair of earrings today. We are going to start with a magic ring. And then chain 3, one, 2 and 3, and then we need to make 17 double crochet into the magic ring. Let's start. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the magic ring. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Just like the same, we need to continue until we get 17 double crochets into the magic ring. Now I have completed 17 double crochets into the magic ring. Then pull this tail tight to close the magic ring. Like this. And then to close this round, work a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the start. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain from the start. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first round. And then I'm going to use the other color for the second round. Start with a slip knot, and pull that loop through the previous loop. And you can pull this tail tight to secure that. And then we are going to start working with the new color. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then work a double crochet into the 2nd stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Now chain 3 and make a double crochet into the first stitch. Then again chain 1 and make a double crochet into the second stitch. Then chain 3 and make one double crochet into the first stitch. And then chain 1. And we need to repeat this pattern until the end of this round. Make a double crochet into the second stitch and chain 3 and make another double crochet into the first stitch and chain 1 and repeat until the end. Now I am at the end of the round 2 and then work a slip stitch into the third chain from the start. Insert the hook into the third chain from the start, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the second round. Now we can cut this yarn piece. And then start working the third round. Start the third round by making a slip stitch into the first chain 1 space and chain 3. And make 4 double crochets, chain 1 and 4 double crochets into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then chain 1 and make another 4 double crochets into the same chain 3 space. Then make 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space. And we are going to repeat the same pattern until the end. Make 4 double crochets, chain 1 and 4 double crochets into the chain 3 space and 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space. Repeat the pattern until the end of this round. Now I am at the end of the round. To close the round, we need to work a slip stitch into the third chain from the start. Insert the hook into the third chain from the start, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we are going to join the other color by making a slip knot like this. And chain 1, and make single crochets into each of the next stitches until you reach the corner, and there you have to work 2 single crochets into the chain 1 space. Make sure that you work over this tail. Make single crochets until you reach the corner. Now this is the chain 1 space in the corner. There you have to work 2 single crochets together. One and 2. Then work 1 single crochet into each of the next stitch. Until you reach the next corner. Continue the pattern until the end of this round and meet me back again. Now I am at the end of the round. There we have to work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn off. You can use your yarn needle to hide the tails of this. Now we will attach the jump ring and the hook ear wire into the hexagon. If you like the video, you can give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.